Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So this is the first video that we are going to be shooting in 8K 24 frames per second. So normally I would do it in 60, but I am not going to, edit the video. First unboxing, first package on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So, you already know the deal. Package, well, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, like I said, normally I would do this in 60 frames, not 24. I'm going to do different shots every other time. So, my next video is going to be different. Okay. So this is basically what it is. I like the way how they got the package legit open, which is not sanitizing. But this is the case for the Note 20 Ultra right there. I had to get a nice clear case for my phone because I still want y'all to be able to see all that glamorous like that. So this is just the case right there. Got it off of eBay right there. Very good case. See-through, as you can see, it's mad clear though. And we also testing out the audio for this new phone, and I don't know how it really going to sound, but hopefully everything is good. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker. Only use time. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I catch you guys later. Whoa, and I'm out of here.